Welcome everyone to the Stark Soil and Water YouTube channel. My name is Adrienne Bach and I would like to thank you for joining us today. This is part of our green cleaning video series. This is the introduction where we'll talk about green cleaning and why it is a great practice to implement in your home. So just to briefly outline what we're going to cover today, we'll talk about what is green cleaning, we'll talk about the safety, green cleaning benefits, we'll cover green cleaning basics, whether it's better to make your own products or to purchase store-bought products, some of the core ingredients that are great to have, and then the supplies that you can use to create your own green cleaning products. Then we'll talk about green cleaning methods, some green substitutions for commonly used products, how to use green cleaning on your appliances, and then we'll talk about the cleaning product videos that we have that are the other parts of the green cleaning video series. And then at the end, we'll have contact information in case you should have any questions for us. So, what is green cleaning? Green cleaning is using natural products to clean and restore your surfaces. So, instead of using a conventional product, green cleaning is just substituting it with a more natural product. For example, if your son or daughter spills juice on the table and it leaves a sticky residue, instead of busting out a conventional product, green cleaning is just using an all-purpose cleaner made with borax and vinegar instead. You'll get the same result, but the green cleaning product has fewer toxic ingredients as well as many other benefits, and it's just a great substitution to make in your home. And green cleaning can be used throughout your home, from your kitchens to your bathrooms to your bedrooms and every room in between. There are green cleaning recipes to make green cleaning products for any cleaning need that you may have. And it's preferable practice to cleaning with conventional products because green cleaning products contain fewer toxic ingredients. Typically, the cost is lower and there are many environmental benefits as well. With any cleaning products, it's important to remember safety first. And there are safety concerns even with green cleaning products. So this is just some great safety advice to follow as you're making your green cleaning products and as you're using them. The first piece of advice is to clearly label the bottles and containers used to store any cleaning solutions. You want to make sure that the name of the cleaning product is on the bottle. You want to make sure all of the ingredients used in the cleaning solution are on the bottle, and you want to make sure the date is somewhere on the container. This way you know exactly what the product is, what's in it, and how long it's been sitting on the shelf, so you know how long it's good for. Next, it's important to remember to avoid mixing any prepared cleaning solutions, commercial or homemade, especially those containing bleach and ammonia. If you mix two different cleaning solutions, you never know what might happen, especially if they contain bleach and ammonia. That can create chlorine gas, which is very dangerous. So it's always best to use one cleaning solution at a time and avoid mixing them. Next, you should not reuse containers from conventional cleaning products. There's a concern here as well with cross-contamination and accidentally mixing ingredients. So if you have bottles left over from your conventional cleaning products, the best thing you can do is just recycle them. And next, containers used to store homemade cleaners can be reused as long as you are storing the same cleaning product made with the same ingredients. If you know what's been stored in the bottle in the past, you know that it's safe to store those same ingredients again, but you want to avoid storing a new cleaning product in a bottle that has already been used for something else, because once again, there are concerns about mixing cleaning solutions. Next, you want to use gloves when mixing and preparing your cleaning solutions. This will help keep any irritants off of your skin, and it's also important to avoid contact with your skin, your eyes, your lips, and your mouth. Even if these products are safe to clean with, they're not necessarily safe to ingest. And if there is ingestion or contamination or something gets on your skin, it's important to call poison control, and they can help you deal with the situation however they see fit. Next, it's important to use caution with essential oils, especially if you have pets. Some scents of essential oils contain ingredients that are toxic to certain species of animals, so you just want to make sure any essential oils you're using are safe for the pets that you have in your home. And all green cleaning solutions should be tested on a small, inconspicuous area of the surface being cleaned before full application. This will make sure that the cleaning solution isn't going to ruin the dye of your carpet or the finish on your countertop. This will make sure that it is safe to use across the entire area that needs to be cleaned. So, just safety first and use your best judgment when mixing and using green cleaning products. Moving on to the many benefits of green cleaning. Now, onto the household benefits of green cleaning. The first benefit is reduced toxicity. So using green cleaning products eliminates the need for toxic chemicals. We all need to clean our homes, and you can either use conventional products or green products for that. But conventional products typically have a long list of ingredients and have a long list of health risks and warning labels. But green products, typically you'll just have a few ingredients in each product with far fewer toxicity risks and warning labels. So with green cleaning products, there are fewer health risks for our families and pets because there are fewer ingredients and they are typically gentler and more natural. The next benefit is that green cleaning products save space. Most products have multiple applications, so they can be used on a variety of surfaces. So one green all-purpose spray is gentle enough to be used on most surfaces in your kitchen and bathroom when perhaps you have a shower cleaner that is so harsh you can only use it on your shower. So green cleaning products, gentler, and typically have more applications. And with green cleaning, a few common baseline ingredients can be used to create multiple cleaning solutions. So once you've stocked up on your baseline ingredients such as vinegar, baking soda, borax, with those ingredients you can create a variety of cleaning solutions if needed. And green cleaning eliminates the need for many specialty cleaning solutions because many products are able to do double duty, triple duty, or can be used on many surfaces throughout our homes. The second big household benefit of green cleaning are the benefits for those with allergies and sensitivities. If you're sensitive to any fragrance allergens or harsh chemicals, green cleaning solutions are completely customizable. So you can find a recipe that has ingredients in it that you know that you can tolerate. Green cleaning recipes are also completely customizable in terms of fragrance. You can use no fragrance, perhaps a low amount or half the amount of recommended fragrance. It's completely customizable, so you can adjust it to your needs so you know that it is safe for you to use and it's not going to cause any reactions in you or any family members or household members that may suffer from allergies and sensitivities. Next are the monetary benefits. Homemade cleaning products will typically be cheaper than conventional products. This is usually the case because many of the ingredients you likely have at home already or can be purchased for a low upfront cost. And if you do need to buy supplies, once you have that initial investment, you can make products as needed. And typically, when you buy a big bottle of vinegar, you're not going to need that entire bottle of vinegar at once, so you'll have that stored and ready to go when needed. So after your initial supplies investments, you're going to avoid future trips to the store, which can also lead to impulse purchases. So once you have those ingredients, you're good to go. And multiple solutions can be made from the same set of core ingredients. So once you've got the ingredients that you've purchased for a low cost, price per bottle, price per container, price per solution is typically going to work out in your favor and will be cheaper overall. Now we'll talk about the environmental benefits of green cleaning, of which there are many. The first is green cleaning leads to a cleaner water supply. Avoiding conventional products helps keep harmful chemicals out of the environment and out of our waterways. When you use cleaning products, typically those will end up rinsed down the drain. And once they go down the drain, then they'll make their way to the wastewater treatment plant, and there they'll have to treat the water to try to remove any traces of any cleaning chemicals or the like from that water. And then once that water is treated, then it's typically released into our waterways, or depending on where you live in the world, that water after it's been treated can be recycled and used as drinking water again and as a source of water for our homes. So if you avoid conventional cleaning products, this makes it easier for wastewater treatment plants to treat that water, and there are also fewer things to miss if we are adding fewer conventional toxic products to our water. So green cleaning products leads to a cleaner water supply. Next is the benefits in terms of manufacturing waste. Manufacturing and processing natural ingredients typically will produce fewer byproducts and less waste than conventional ingredients. Many conventional ingredients, as they're produced, can potentially create byproducts that may or may not be harmful, that likely need to be disposed of in some way. So using green cleaning products helps avoid creating toxic byproducts, creating excess waste that you will come across in the manufacturing process of conventional ingredients. The next environmental benefit is reduced plastic pollution. So using designated glass and plastic containers that can safely be reused eliminates the need for new containers every time. So if you have your container and you safely label it with the ingredients, the name of the product and the date, as we mentioned before, carefully labeling and reusing our products eliminates the need for a new bottle every time, which reduces the amount of plastic waste that may end up in our waterways. The next benefit is reduced phosphate pollution. So making your own cleaning products avoids nutrient pollution from phosphates, which are found in many detergents, such as laundry detergent. So these phosphates, once they enter our water supply, they create a nutrient boom because phosphates are one of the main nutrients needed for plants and plant growth. So once there's an influx of nutrients, plants start to grow like crazy, and as they grow like crazy and then eventually deplete the nutrients and die, that process depletes the amount of oxygen found in the water. This creates a poor environment for any aquatic wildlife that is found in these waterways. This leads to habitat degradation, and it causes problems for the entire ecosystem. And this process is known as eutrophication. So avoiding the phosphates found in many conventional laundry detergents and other cleaning products, this reduces phosphate pollution down the road and helps keep our aquatic ecosystems healthier. So, what do we do it all for? Why does it all matter? Here at Stark Soil and Water, we work to protect our stormwater and our other natural resources. Stormwater is the flow of water after a precipitation event, and it can become easily polluted. As water works its way through the water cycle, at some point it typically will be stormwater, and as it works through the water cycle, it can become easily polluted from conventional cleaning products, from runoff, from a variety of sources. But green cleaning methods are just one small way that we can all work toward a cleaner water supply. Green cleaning reduces manufacturing waste, which can contaminate our water, plastic pollution, which can end up in our waterways, and nutrient pollution, which can cause eutrophication and a variety of other problems. And so, as stormwater flows across the ground, it will typically enter our waterways or infiltrate down into the soil, carrying whatever contaminants it may have along with it. So, using green cleaning products helps eliminate the chance that the water becomes contaminated in any way, in turn protecting our stormwater quality and our other natural resources. So green cleaning is just a small step that you can take to help protect our environment. Now on to some green cleaning basics. So, is it better to make your own homemade cleaning products, or is it better to purchase a prepared product from the store? So, the market for green cleaning products has really grown, and there are companies now that make their own green cleaning products that they sell at many stores, and it's up to you to decide whether it's worth it to make your own homemade products or whether it's worth it to purchase a store-bought product. Each option has its own drawbacks and benefits, and you just have to decide what is right for you and what is right for your situation. So homemade products are typically lower cost. Many of the ingredients used in homemade products you likely already have at home or can be purchased at the grocery store inexpensively or potentially in bulk where you'll get a cheap price per ounce if you're buying in a large quantity. Store-bought products are typically higher cost. They'll contain a wider range of ingredients and they'll be more specialized, so that leads to a higher cost. So it's just up to you whether lower cost or higher cost is more important. You also have to consider preparation time. Homemade cleaning products typically have a longer preparation time. You have to find the recipes, you have to research the recipe to see if it's going to be right for you. You have to go and purchase the ingredients, and there's also just a lot of thought that goes into homemade products because you have to source all the ingredients, the storage containers, all of it. With store-bought, it's typically a short preparation time, if any. You can buy prepared products in the bottle, ready to go. And there are some companies now that sell cleaning solution concentrates. So you can get a bottle, dump the concentrate in, and just add some distilled water, and then your solution is good to go. So it's definitely shorter preparation time, if any, so you have to weigh cost, preparation time, what is more important to you. So homemade requires time and material investment. Store-bought, there are a few other resources needed, but something else to consider with store-bought is that if you're buying a new bottle of cleaning solution each time, that's going to create additional plastic pollution. So you just have to decide what is right for you. It's just going to depend on your situation and what resources you have available, but either option is great. Green cleaning is typically friendlier for the environment and will have a lower cost, and there are more benefits to using green cleaning products than there are to using conventional cleaning products in your home. So these are many of the green cleaning ingredients that once you have these baseline core ingredients, you can create many recipes using these basics. So the first recommended ingredient is white vinegar. White vinegar is great because it helps kill mold and bacteria and can help with odors as well. Baking soda is a nice gentle cleaner. It helps kill mold and it has a few other uses. And when baking soda and white vinegar are mixed together, they'll get bubbling or an effervescent action, and used on surfaces that can help lift away the dirt and the grime. Borax is non-chlorinated bleach, so it's considerably gentler than traditional bleach, and it can be used in a variety of cleaning products or added to your laundry, and it helps kill bacteria and just lift away dirt and grime. Cornstarch is a gentle cleaner, kind of like baking soda. You can use it to get the scrubbing action of the cornstarch, and it helps remove stains as well. Distilled water is water that has been boiled and then condensed back into a liquid, so this process removes the impurities as well as the bacteria. So distilled water is a great thing to use in your green cleaning products because you know that it is free from impurities and free from bacteria, so it's not going to contaminate your green cleaning products. Essential oils are great to add just a little bit of scent, or you can use things like powdered cloves or crushed up bay leaves, but they're a more natural way to add scent to cleaning products, and they're less likely to cause an allergic reaction for a variety of people. So once you have these basic ingredients, it is possible to make a variety of green cleaning products. These are the supplies that we recommend that you get if you want to make your own green cleaning solutions. So recommended supplies include gloves to help keep your hands clean and free from contaminants, glass or plastic spray bottles so that you can easily label them, and if you find a solution that you like, you can easily reuse them, or if you make a solution and you don't really like it, glass or plastic spray bottles are easy to recycle when you no longer need them. And same thing with containers, easily recyclable, easily usable. Labeling supplies are great. It can also help to color code your different kinds of solutions. Just remember, you have to put the name on there, the ingredients on there, and the date on there. This helps keep you safe because you know exactly what the solution is, what is in the solution, and how long it has been sitting on the shelf. Funnels are great because if you use a different container to mix your green cleaning solution in, you can use the funnels to pour the solution into whatever storage container or bottle you want to use. Sponges are great. They make many biodegradable sponges now from materials such as coconut husk or walnut, and they're really effective scrubbing sponges. I own some of these and I like them better than traditional plastic sponges. Microfiber cloths or cotton cloths are reusable and also do a great job of wiping away dirt and grime. and they last longer than paper towels do, so they're more a cost-effective solution. And then it is also important to have designated measuring cups, spoons, and mixing bowls. This way you have your supplies designated just to be used when making green cleaning products, and this way you're not cross-contaminating your food prep utensils. So with these supplies and then the ingredients on the last slide, you're well on your way to making your own green cleaning products. Now we'll talk about green cleaning methods. So these are some green cleaning substitutions. These are just substitutions for common products that are easy to make as needed and are great for cleaning your home. So instead of traditional floor cleaner, try this. You can mix 1/2 cup of vinegar per gallon of water. You can use it to mop your floors. It's important to remember that you don't want to saturate your wood flooring. This can cause warping or bubbling. So just quickly wipe down the floor and then mop up any remaining water if it's a wood floor, but this will keep your floor sparkling and clean. And this solution can be used on any floor. Just remember to test out a small area first. Instead of a traditional air freshener like you would get in the can, you can boil 1 tablespoon of vinegar per 1 cup of water. This will help freshen up the air in your home, get rid of any lingering odors, get rid of any lingering staleness in the air. This will help freshen up your air and make it a little bit more pleasant. Instead of traditional drain cleaner, which is very corrosive and can actually eat away at your pipes and your plumbing, you can pour 1/2 cup baking soda down the drain, then follow that up with 1 cup of vinegar. You can allow this to sit for 30 to 60 minutes, and then this will create the effervescent action, which will help push whatever is blocking the drain or whatever grease is coating the insides of your pipes down the drain. You'll then flush with hot water. This will be pretty effective at clearing out whatever is in your drain, and you can repeat if needed. This is another recipe that I regularly use at home, and it is extremely effective at cleaning your drain. Instead of a traditional shower cleaner, you can wipe down the hard surfaces in your shower with vinegar and then gently scrub it with baking soda and rinse away. This is another one where it's important to test a small area of the shower first, especially if it is tile with grout, because some vinegar does eat away at the grout. So you want to make sure that you're using food grade vinegar, which is a lower acidity, and you always want to test a small, inconspicuous area first. This is a very effective way to get rid of soap scum and to help refresh your shower. Instead of traditional toilet bowl cleaner, you can add 1/4 cup of baking soda, 1/4 cup of borax, and 1/2 cup of vinegar to the bowl. And so you'll get your toilet brush, and then you can scrub that all around the bowl. You can let it sit for a few minutes if you want, and then you'll just flush it away, and this will help clean whatever is in your toilet bowl. And instead of a traditional furniture polish, you can wipe the furniture with 1 part vegetable oil mixed with 1 part lemon juice. This is easy to scale up or down based on how much furniture you have to clean. You just gently rub it into the wood in a circular motion, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wipe away whatever excess oil is left. And this is a great way to refresh your furniture, to bring some more life to your furniture, and to help old furniture look new. So with these common green substitutions for common cleaning products is a great way to implement green cleaning in your home. Next, we'll move on and talk about our appliances. Using green cleaning methods on the appliances is an effective way to remove buildup and grime, especially things like lime scale or grease, and this can help lengthen the life of your appliances, letting them last as long as possible, which is important because appliances are typically expensive and a big investment, so you want them to last as long as they possibly can. So for your microwave, you mix 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, and a sliced lemon in a bowl. So you just want to make sure that's all mixed up. Then you put it in the microwave and you set it for 5 minutes, and then you just let it cook. And as it cooks, the microwave will fill up with steam. The heating and the steam will help loosen up any grit, grime, grease that has built up in your microwave. And so once the time has run out, you'll go ahead and remove the bowl, and then you can use a sponge or cloth and scrub away whatever is in your microwave. And you can use that leftover liquid to wipe down other kitchen surfaces. It'll be warm, ready to go, gentle cleaning liquid, so you can use it on any hard surface in your kitchen. Next, we'll talk about ovens. So ovens, you'll get a lot of dishes cooking over, you'll get a lot of burnt on food, burnt on cheese, grease that gets baked into the oven. So ovens, it's important to clean them and to clean them regularly. If you regularly clean your oven using green cleaning methods, it's a great way to avoid buildup. So for your oven, you can mix 1/4 cup of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of salt, and enough hot water to make a paste. And then you can take the paste and apply it to the oven. You may need to make more or less depending on what size your oven is. But you make the paste, apply it to the oven, and allow it to sit for 20 minutes. Some scrubbing may be needed, especially if you have baked on cheese or grease that's been sitting for a long time. You'll scrub it away, get in there with some elbow grease, and then once you've effectively scrubbed away whatever mess is there, you just wipe the paste away and the grease away, and then your oven is clean and ready to go the next time you're ready to bake something. Next are our washing machines. You only want to use cleaners in an empty washing machine that is free of clothes. Some of these cleaners have the potential to stain your clothes, so it's important just to run these cleaners in an empty machine. So in order to just clean and disinfect the machine and to get rid of any odd smells, you can add 1 cup of vinegar to the drum, and then you can run the cleaning cycle, which some washers have, and if it doesn't have a cleaning cycle, you can run the heavy duty cycle to clean the machine. And this is a great way to just refresh your machine. But if you have lime scale or other buildup, you can add 1 cup of citric acid to the drum, and then once again run the cleaning cycle or heavy duty cycle depending on what your washing machine offers. This removes buildup, lime scale, and it is very effective. I have done this in my own washing machine, and it is a great way to get rid of lime scale and other buildup. Once you've run the lime scale through, it is important to run a rinse cycle. Citric acid may or may not stain your clothes depending on what material your clothes are, so it's important to run the rinse cycle after to get rid of any remaining citric acid. But this is a great way to remove lime scale and any buildup in your machine. So either option helps clean and maintain your machine, keeping it ready for the next time you need to do clothes. The next appliance that we'll cover are dishwashers. You only want to use cleaners on an empty dishwasher. The cleaning products can negatively impact your dishes. They can wear away at the finish, so you want to make sure that you're only using cleaners in your dishwasher when it's empty. So just to clean and refresh the machine, add 1 cup of vinegar to the body of your dishwasher, and then just run the sanitize or heavy duty cycle to clean the machine. And this is great just to help maintain your machine, help get rid of any odd smells that may be lingering. This will just help with general maintenance. But if you have lime scale and other buildup, you can fill the detergent cup of the machine with citric acid and then run the heavy duty cycle or perhaps the cleaning cycle if your dishwasher has that. And this will help clear away any buildup or grime. And then after you've run the citric acid cycle, just remember to run a rinse cycle to remove any remaining residue. But this is a great way to maintain your machine and to keep the parts clear from any mineral buildup or lime scale. So using these 2 cleaning methods, it's a great way to maintain your dishwasher and help ensure that it lasts for a good long time. Thank you for joining us for this part of our green cleaning video series. This is just the introductory part. We also have 3 other instructional videos. We cover how to make an all-purpose cleaner, a window cleaner, and a dry carpet shampoo. So they're just slow videos where you can follow along and mix your own cleaning products. These guides can be found at our YouTube channel, and down here on the bottom of the screen, that's the little profile picture, and that's our name on YouTube. So once you find us, you'll know that it's us. So the links for these videos can also be found in the description of this video. So these are the sources that I used when compiling this green cleaning video series. These guides here, or these sources, many of which are also recipe guides, have a lot of great resources if you want to research and do some more of your own green cleaning. They have many great recipes for a variety of products, so they're definitely worth checking out. And then finally, if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Remember to check out the other videos in our green cleaning video series. My name is Adrienne Bach, and I'm the Outreach Technician with Stark Soil and Water, and you can reach me by my email address there. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, we are happy to help you out. And we hope that everyone has a safe and happy 2023.